Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here today with the two little helpers on my desk. The one that just left was Buddy, and this is Stevie. Stevie he's really gentle. He's a gentle soul. Look, he's so sweet. And the other one is just, okay, now he's biting me. But yeah, the other one is more looking for trouble. Always figuring out new things and trying to find new spots. But we are here today, move on, yeah, go, to do a winner's drawing for this Valentine journal I made it on camera. I have all the process videos on it, but just going through it really quick so people still know what was the prize, the one that entered this challenge. The challenge is closed, by the way, so if you put your name underneath the video that you're supposed to put your name in, I collected the names a while ago. Well, not me. Actually, I had some help from Stacey Merritt, one of the admins of the Facebook group. And after that, anyone who posted, they are not in the challenge entry, not because it ended at a certain date. But yeah, this is the dangle I made. This is the closure I made. Oh, it's elastic. This is the little file folder I made, and I believe I tucked in a little letter. Yeah, I did. This is one of the real vintage letters that is always, not always, that is also available in my Etsy. And I used the set of these also in the slim journal that I made. And this is the back side. And you can tuck it in here or you can leave it out. I tucked it on the front of the cover. And this is the cover. Okay, something is popping out. Not sure what it is or why. I can't remember. I put a lot of things in that I don't remember anymore. But yeah, this is the outside of the cover. I believe I made these the last video. Yeah, these are the real ephemera pieces that I put in. It's also a digital kit in my Etsy. And I have a tag and a piece of the kit in here too. And it's an embossed envelope. I'm not sure. Oh, I think I had this at the back side or something like that. Just going through it really quick. I made some hinges. I never done this before, but I was inspired by the Tim Holtz folios. They have these hinges, and I had this packing paper, and I thought, well, maybe I can give it a go. But it turned out really nice, so I added some cards and tags on it. Added a pocket with 3 little pieces in here. This is a small envelope, again with a little tag in it. And this is a large tag that came with the kit. I put it in here. I made a pocket of one of the cards, another tag in here. I have a pocket over here and I put in a tag, pocket, and a journaling card, tag, some washi strips, some fabrics. This is my take on the, well, and I have a video on how I made it, but it's like an policy closure, but it's a whole page. I do have to glue this down a little. Because washi never sticks. But it's an actual page, and you can take these out. The other side is on the other half, and this is elastic, and you can take it out. Little bag with little tags in it, and it's printed on vellum. I have these two in the pocket, and then it closes like this, and you wrap it around like so. Journal page, again a pocket I made, one of the postcards, tag, another tag, and I believe this is a piece from another kit, but I really like the script ephemera piece in it. So this is all pages to decorate or to write. Another card in here, and this is the other half of the policy closure I made. You can take it out, so you have this, and again a little vellum envelope with small bits and pieces in it. Two tags that came with the kit. I believe this is not in the kit, but I added it on here. No, it's a separate one. Sorry, this one is not in the kit, but it was something I still had floating around on my desk, and I put it in. And this close just like so, and then you can not sure, it was it on here? Yeah, I think it was on the outside. I don't know anymore, but it's a good thing you can change it if you want it on another spot. Yeah, it was on the outside. This is the second signature, tracing paper, more pages to write and to embellish. A large tag, not from the kit. These are from the kit. Other vellum piece. This is the middle part. Here do you have the elastic. Another piece of vellum. Tag, tag, tag. And this is a freebie tag. These are in the Facebook group. I have a page and a few tags that come with this set. So the other half of the tracing paper, a pocket, fabric ruffle, washi strip, journaling card, and a tag in here. I made a glass window pocket, layered these together. And this is not from the kit also, it's from another kit, also a piece that was floating on my desk, but I put it on. And here we have another hinge again. And here we have a tag with a sliding pocket, and you push it in like this and pull it out like that. And I have a whole video, well, I have a lot of videos making this journal, so if you are interested and you want to see how I made it, there's a playlist, Valentine's or Valentine's journal, but it's the challenge was hashtag LDA Valentine's with an M. And yeah, I will be doing the winner's drawing of this journal, so I'm going to pick a winner, and this is really cute. I have a video on how I made these too. Chuck these in the back side, but I'm going to draw one name, and the name that comes up in the name picker wheel is the lucky winner of this journal. So yeah, let's switch over to the desk, not the desk, to the laptop, and put in the names, and let's spin the winner. Here we are with the wheel with all the names, and I'm going to do one spin, and the name that pops up wins the journal, but I have to remove this. I see there's something in here that doesn't belong there. One moment. So I removed that, and Peggy is Peggy the Paper Bumblebee. That's one of the design team members, so I know it's her. So there will be no mistake, that's another Peggy. This is the Peggy I know from my design team. So here we go. I'm going to do one spin, and the person's name that pops up wins the journal. And if you win the journal, well, first of all, thank you for joining in. Thanks everybody for joining in, even though you didn't win the journal. But if you win the journal, please send me a messenger text and tell me you won the journal, and then I can talk to you about sending it and everything. So yeah, let's stop talking. Let's start spinning, and here we go. And I'm not interfering with the spinning in any way, in case you might wonder, but it's going to spin very, very slow at the end, but still spinning. Oh, who's going to win? It's going to be Peggy. Yeah, it's Peggy. Okay, well, congratulations, Peggy. You won the journal, and I will send it to you as soon as possible. Yeah, so thanks everybody for joining in. And it's so weird. I was talking about Peggy because of her back name, her family name wasn't in, and now she wins. So it's really a coincidence, but it's so weird. But yeah, this is it. This is finally the drawing for this beautiful journal that I made for the group to give away. So thanks everybody for joining in. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time in all the other videos we are doing with the collaboration at the moment. And this is it for today. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.